Welcome back to C++ discussions. Today we are going to discuss default arguments in C++ functions. So we can start with a small program. I will be explaining what is happening internally. After that we can explain what is the need of default arguments in C++ functions. I have one small function here. Function name is void fun and I have two arguments to this function, int x as well as int y. I'm just putting one cout statement inside this function. I would like to see what is the values which is getting printed in with x as well as y. Now I have the main. Inside main I have two variables, I which is equal to 10 as well as j which is equal to 20. Now I'm just invoking these functions and I'm getting this I which is equal to 10 which is getting copied into the x, j which is equal to 20 which is getting copied into the y, and you will be getting an output which is x which is equal to 10 and y which is equal to 20. This is a normal program. Now in C++ we have a functionality which is default arguments, which is possible to set some default values into some function. The meaning of default means if something is absent which has some predefined value that can be used as its value. We can in regular life we are using something default, something that is a default behavior of that person, or this is the default property of something. So we are going to set some default value of this y, so that if user is not passing that value will be taken from the default argument list. So we can set this default value only into the trailing edges of a function. Assume here I am setting a default value y which is equal to 100. The meaning of this statement is if user is not passing a value to the y, then the value will be taken from the default argument list. Now we can see how compiler is internally interpreting this function. I have a function name is fun and it have two arguments. Now we know something name handling. Compiler is changing the name for every function depending on number of argument, type of argument and order of the argument. Now for us there is a single function here, but for compiler there are two functions. Function number one is fun underscore first argument, that is integer, again underscore second argument which is integer. Again compiler have one more function, the function name is again fun underscore I. So you can invoke this function in two ways. You can invoke this function with passing two integer arguments, as well as you can invoke this function with passing only one integer argument. Now we have already saw that you can invoke this function with two integer arguments. Now it is possible to invoke this function with help of a single argument. The remaining argument compiler is taken from this default argument list. Now I am invoking the function fun. I am passing only one argument here. So I which is equal to 10, which is correcting from this I. And since we are not passing the second argument, compiler is taking this argument from this default argument list. So y will be 100. So we have a scope, something like you can set default argument to the functions. So if our user is not passing this argument, compiler is taking this argument from this default argument list. Again we have to take care one more thing, like you can set the default argument only from this trailing edges. From here you can start setting the default arguments towards this direction. You can set default argument for x also. So you don't want to pass any argument, you have three scopes for invoking this function. Now you have three ways, or you have two ways for invoking this function, with help of two arguments and with help of one argument. If you are setting default arguments to this x also, then you can invoke three ways to this function. It is very simple, something like if user is not passing any argument, compiler is taking the argument from this default argument list, and you can set default argument from this direction. You can start setting the default argument this from the trailing edges. Now the question is, what is the need of a default arguments? If you know this many arguments are required for invoking this function, then what could be the need of a default arguments? We can discuss what's the need of a default arguments. So assume my function is this. I don't have any default arguments. This is my function. Assume I have implemented this function long back. This function is getting called many places. For example, this function is getting called from somewhere. It is, I'm calling this function. Somewhere it will be like this. Again, I'm calling this function 200 and 100. Again, in my old implementation, I have a project which is implemented long back. There, this function is getting called 20 places. For example, this function now first place, second place, this is 20th place. This function is getting called fun 30, 40. Now I would like to invoke the same function, and this function has to behave slightly different compared to all these 20 places. Or I would like to add a small code. That small code has to work only whenever I am calling this function at 21st location. Now I am calling, so what we can do is, we can set a default argument to this function. Here I am setting a default argument bool flag which is equal to false. Now inside this function I am making some small changes. If flag execute these lines. Now you can see first place it will execute the same old way, since because we are not passing any default arguments, this flag value will be false, this will not get executed. Here also second place it will be like, since we are not passing any value, so flag value which is taken from the default argument list, this code will not execute. Now assume I'm calling this function here in a next place or 21st place. I'm calling this function. Here I'm just passing true. Now you see we are fast passing the argument, so compiler will not take argument from default argument list. So here we are passing, so flag value will be true. In this 21st place, this code will execute. All other places, this code will not execute. So this is one of the advantages of default argument function. So which is very widely used in maintenance kind of code. Hope you have understood the concept. Default argument is nothing but you can invoke a function with lesser number of arguments compared to the argument which is available in this list. So you can set the default argument from the trailing edges. Hope you have understood the concept. If you have any questions or any confusions, please ping your questions down to our video. Thank you for watching this video.